Hello everybody, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Oh. I gotta get out of here.
Of course the Emperor would come back just because he was on the news. Ugh, not for the dimensions falling apart or...
The Emperor has always been a threat to our universe. We must get the Dimensionator away from him before we have no home left to save.
Just find Pierre, you guys. He'll help you warn Captain Quantum.
Let's go back to Sargasso. I think we'll unlock another trophy.
That they were captured.
The Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
Furious.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
Interested in swarming your enemies with black holes of doom? Try the black hole storm. This beauty fires faster than a speedle in a prairie fire. Runs just as hot, too. Looks like you got some open sales and the raritanium to match. Forget catching lightning in a bottle. You just caught a whole storm. Gotta blast some more baddies before you can upgrade that one.
4, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're done.
I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Oh.
Hey, you done picking on the little guys?
Stop that! You shall suffer with
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean you.
firing now!
All of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator.
Moving in, friend.
neutralized. Your friends are safe.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the secret and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off.
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, kid.
Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
That's Maynard, the Mortis helper bot. He'll lead us to the Seekerpede. Tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself.
Right. Or not. Either way.
The Emperor's not just going after the Morts.
He is taking out all life on the planet.
Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
Go!
Rivets! It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. I hope you don't mind I watch from a distance. I'm just exhausted from eliminating your allies.
Threatening me over holograms. Classy.
Carceration, loyal subject. Our troopers will assist in your compliance.
What is it about Lombards is that makes them so persistent? Our counterpart is even more annoying, believe me. What do you hope to do? Release that ramshackle Seekerpede? Quaint your little mind must be. Just you wait, Lombards. There are big expensive plans in store for Zagato. Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise now.
Surprise? Let's keep after Maynard.
Well, learn to love the Emperor.
Alright, hold on. There's something.
The last of them.
Let's keep following Maynard toward that Seekerpede.
Alright, give me a sec. There's something about getting headshots with a weapon. I want to take a look at that. There, Hunter.
So many ships. Emperor's being very thorough.
It'll be okay. We'll free the Seekerpede and the fight will start going our way. It will. Missing a lot of crates.
Oh yeah, can't wait to get this session.
Alright. How do I do this? That one wasn't too hard. Once I figured out how to do it.
Jigger, here we come. So when I was with Clank,
forward to examining that anomaly. It is just like what I imagined.
Kit? Kit! Oh, you're all right.
This is an electric sphere.
Ah, you remembered your training. What happened to Clank?
Traveling to Argolis with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh, so that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
Does that spinnergizer look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost. That's intriguing. The Spinergizer converted the dimensional energy into action.
Alright.
Beautiful job, Kit. You're just as fast a learner as Clank.
How bad are things now?
Well, we're circling the drain. It seems that the dimensional cataclysm has been intensifying even faster than I expected.
So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh, talented, resourceful, very shiny.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a compliment, Kit, to both of you. What do you think of Clank?
We have barely spoken, but I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too.
That Spinergizer could use some energizing.
But this wasn't easy.
Look at you, Kit. You're doing work worthy of being cataloged in the archives.
That Spinergizer could use some energizing.
So if Clank is with Ratchet, does that mean you're here with Rivet?
As we have been destined to be.
Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. With Ratchet, we worked well together, but I was always worried about disappointing him, and I still am with Rivet. But it also feels like we already know each other.
Well, destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how lucky she is to have you.
Wow, feeling light.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
That Spinergizer could use some energizing. I can weigh things down with this.
Kit, you know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
You went out into the unknown without a lifeline, doing the last thing you ever wanted to do. And you're succeeding. I could never have done that.
But you are. Trying to fill in for your...
In that case, go us!
Go us.
Kit, I am so proud of you. Well done.
I could not have done it without you, Carrie.
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mush, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battle cruiser, but that hurl shot should get us closer.
There's the final, honey. Leaving so soon?
Oh, try to use my own sympathy against me. Oh, I do love watching others embarrass themselves. Yes! How could you possibly hope to defeat Team Nefarious? Right. Honestly, I'm losing fear. Now, I want to see how far we can go before I trample you.
The Logbacks have breached the cruiser! Sorry to crash the party. Watch out for rapid fire!
You there, Rivet? We locked on the kid signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
What a show! Let's make things a little more interesting, shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructor beams. Planetary devastation! Finally!
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Rivet, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructor beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
He can try. I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky sinker key.
Oh, a cruiser has been destroyed. I'm devastated. Whatever will I do? I know. Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Shields? Ah, it just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Trudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
They're the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Let's see how their shields hold up against one of these.
I want Sargasso broken.
Oh, jeez. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Rivet. We're all counting on you two.
Sargasso is becoming unstable. We must act quickly and destroy the other battle cruisers.
That trifle thinks she can stop us. Concentrate all power on the planet. Destroy it all.
Exterminate all of those flying creatures, too.
Rivet, the battle cruiser's destructo beam is moments away from breaching the planet's core. You must stop it.
We'll stop it together. Come on, Shorty.
You did it.
We did it.
Oh, there they are! Hey! Rivet and Kit! Rivet and Kit!
All right. You're welcome.
Mort, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight.
Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rift, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out.
Let's get to Zerkie's. Maybe Ratchet and Clank have some good news.
Alright, that is going to conclude this episode. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.